So the truth is, there's currently no official definition for what Web 3.0 is, but I'll be telling you about what some experts say it is or has the potential of being. But before we do that, let's quickly run through Web 1.0 and 2.0 for starters. Now, Web 1.0 for a while was really just this large encyclopedia. People just went there for information purposes. In that era, which was from 1991 to 2004, we were pretty much considered as just consumers. But then we move on to Web 2.0, which is the era of targeted advertisement and lack of privacy. This era started from 2004 to where we are right now. This is the era of social media, Google and the likes. So what do I mean by targeted advertisement? Obviously, you know, when you just quickly do a random search on a shoe that you probably intend to buy or you just like it, and all of a sudden it's like everywhere you look on the internet you see a vendor selling that shoe. That's because companies like Google, Facebook and the likes, or wherever you search that information from, have sold your data to these companies, and now they are targeting you and trying to make sure that you actually purchase that shoe. In fact, let's bring it home here on YouTube. If you like this video, this particular video, and you watch it to the very end, YouTube would take that action and interpret it as data showing that you probably like my videos, and then they will start showing you more and more of my videos, and they won't just stop there. They will then show my videos to a larger audience. Since you guys already liked it, they will assume that a larger audience would like it as well. You see how YouTube and this other social media platform make use of your little action, just like clicking the like button, to interpret who you are as a person and then advertise to you based on what you want. That's pretty much what Web 2 is really all about right now. But of course, people have come out to say that they're not really happy about these companies making use of their data, and that is one of the major selling points of Web 3.0. Yes, Web 3.0 sells decentralization. You can do anything you want. There won't be a lack of privacy and the likes. That is what Web 3.0 is selling, according to X. In simpler terms, you know, when you tweet something on Twitter and it probably violates their community guidelines, and they either remove that tweet or suspend you altogether, Web 3.0 is selling the fact that, oh, nothing as such can happen. Is this a good or a bad thing? Let me know in the comment section. Furthermore, experts say that if Web 3.0 becomes a thing in reality, what that means is that many companies will then be governed by DAOs, which are decentralized autonomous organizations. There won't be any CEOs or board of directors per se, but just a community of people that have the tokens of that particular community, and then they can just vote in the direction they want the company to go. So of course, the more tokens you have, the more votes you're able to place in that community. But coming here to reality right now, what does Web 3.0 look like? Right now, it's pretty much big organizations like Apple, Google, PayPal and the likes accepting payments in form of cryptocurrency. Of course, that is a major starting point. We have to start from somewhere to be able to get where we want to be. In summary, that's pretty much what a lot of experts have to say about Web 3.0, but a lot is still unsaid, a lot is still not known, so we just have to keep watching and observing. What do you think about Web 3.0? Let me know in the comment section. Are you for it? Are you against it? Do you have your thoughts? Just let me know in the comment section.